Thank you for being here today for Live Healthy. Joining us today is genetic counselor Spencer Wood. Thank you for joining us, Spencer.
A pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me.
Genetic counseling, let's just start with the basics. What does that mean?
It's a good question. Genetic counselors have advanced training in medical genetics, so we learn about genetic syndromes, inheritance, how your genes work. We also get training in counseling, so we're able to guide and support patients through their healthcare when it comes to genetics.
Do you recommend couples coming to you before they're ready to start their families?
We're happy to see them before they get pregnant. When a woman is considering starting a family, there's some specific genetic tests that are available to them, specifically carrier screening. There's common conditions like sickle cell disease, cystic fibrosis, spinal muscular atrophy, and there's blood tests available to women who may want to know this information, like am I a carrier for those conditions?
What is the process?
So they go and talk to their OBGYN, and they mention to them, hey, I'm interested in this genetic testing. They can coordinate that, or they're able to send them over to see us, and we're happy to see them. I sit down and I write out a family history, talk to them about the benefits and limitations of the testing. Really, I help them each step of the way to be sure they're getting the information they want to have.
What about a pregnant patient that comes to you for genetic counseling?
So once you become pregnant, there's other routine genetic tests available to you for conditions such as Down syndrome. So they come in, we talk about these tests to be sure that they're informed, that they know what they're getting into. There also are routine ultrasounds available, and so when they have ultrasounds, sometimes things come up differently. And so I sit down, I talk to them, I be sure they know what's going on with the ultrasound. If it requires other subspecialists, I also help to coordinate that. So if they need to see an expert in some other fields, I'm able to make that referral and be sure they get the care they need.
Thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.
And thank you for being here for this segment of Live Healthy.
Live Healthy is sponsored by Trident and Somerville Medical Centers and provided as a service to you and your family.